Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss some important pedagogical questions which is helpful for all KVS, CTET, NVS, DSSB and all teaching exams. So let's start with question number 1. The word pedagogy means option A to guide the child, option B to lead the child, option C to educate the child and option D to understand the child. The word pedagogy means to lead the child. Here the option B is correct answer. Now question number 2. Pedagogy is study of option A education, option B guiding students, option C learning process and option D teaching method. Here the correct answer is option D teaching method. Actually pedagogy is the study of teaching method, how to lead the child. Now question number 3. Which one of the following indicates child's physical growth? Option A negative, option B quantitative, option C qualitative, option D positive. The correct answer is quantitative. Child physical growth is indicated by quantitative, that is age, height, weight, all things is indicated through quantitative, in quantity, not qualitative, not negative or positive. So here the correct answer is option B quantitative. Now question number 4. The best method to study growth and development of the child is option A psychoanalytic method, option B comparative method, option C developmental method and option D statistical method. The correct answer is option C developmental method. Developmental method is the best method to study growth and development of the child. Now question number 5. The use of technology to enhance learning process is called dash in education. Option A IT, option B ICT, option C information technology and option D communication technology. Here the correct answer is option B, that is information and communication technology. The use of technology to enhance learning process is called information and communication technology in education. Now question number 6. PSRN in development implies option A problem solving, reasoning and numeracy, option B problem solving, relationship and numeracy, option C perceptual skill, reasoning and numeracy and option D perceptual skill, relationships and numbers. The correct answer is C perceptual skill, reasoning and numeracy. PSRN stands for perceptual skill, reasoning and numeracy. Now question number 7. Individuals learn from his own mistake. This statement is based on which learning theory? Option A instrumental conditioning, option B insight, option C trial and error and option D classical conditioning. The answer is option C trial and error, which is given by Thorndike. According to Thorndike, an individual learn from his own mistake. बच्चे खुद गलती करेंगे तो सीखेंगे. So here option C is correct answer. Now question number 8. What should be the role of teacher in meeting the individual's differences? Option A try to know the abilities, interest and aptitude of individuals. Option B try to adjust the curriculum as per the need of individuals. Option C both A and B and option D none of these. The answer is option C both A and B. Try to know the abilities, interests and aptitudes of individuals. Try to adjust the curriculum as per the need of individuals. This play the role of teacher in meeting in the individuals differences. Actually it plays best role of teacher in meeting the individual differences. Now question number 9. Teachers should present information to the students clearly and in interesting way and relate this new information to the thing student. Option A don't know, option B already know, option C willing to know and option D not willing to know. The answer is already know. Teachers should always present information to the student clearly and interesting way and relate this information to the things students which already they know. Now, question number 10. If a child has mental age of 5 years and chronicle age of 4 years, then what will be the IQ of child? Option A 125, option B 80, option C 120 and option D 100. The formula of this questions is mental age by chronicle age into 100 equals to intelligence quotient. So the IQ level of children equals to 5 by 4 into 100, that is 125. So the correct answer is option A 125. Now आज यहीं तक. होप सो आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो, और प्लीज़ पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल so that I will bring more and more videos for you. Now thank you.